Starting from zero? No savings, no investments, no extra income. Good. Because this is exactly where most people begin. And here's how you actually build wealth from there. Most people believe one thing: I need money to make money. And because of that, they wait. They wait until they earn more, until they feel ready, until the right time comes. But that mindset keeps them stuck. Because if you don't know how to manage a little, more money won't fix the problem. It just makes the mistakes bigger. Wealth doesn't start with money. It starts with habits and skills. How you handle what you have, how you earn, how you grow. Because money is just a tool. And if you don't know how to use the tool, having more of it won't change your outcome. Here's a simple path to follow. Step 1. Control your spending. Before you grow anything, you need stability. Know where your money goes. Cut what doesn't matter. Create space to save. Step 2. Build a skill. Your income grows when your value grows. Learn something useful. Writing, editing, design, sales, anything. Focus on one skill that people are willing to pay for. Step 3. Increase your income. Use that skill to earn more. Freelance, side hustle, better job. This is where momentum starts. Step 4. Start investing. Once you have extra money, don't just save it. Put it into assets that can grow over time. This is how money starts working for you. Now here's the truth. This is not fast. There's no shortcut here. It's a slow process, but every step builds on the next. Spending control creates stability. Skills increase income. Income fuels investing. Investing builds wealth. And over time, that momentum compounds. So don't focus on becoming rich overnight. Focus on your first milestones. Your first $100 saved. Then 1,000. Not to keep forever, but to prove to yourself that you can do it. Then take the next step and start investing. Because once you build the system, you can keep scaling it. No one starts big. Everyone starts somewhere. And starting from zero is not a disadvantage. It's a starting point. Because you don't need everything figured out. You just need to start and keep moving forward, one step at a time.